Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make yummy and tasty delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to prepare this healthy and flavorful ZOBO drink. If today is your first time of coming across this video, you are welcome. This is the best place to be. For my old subscribers, I want to say thank you for always watching my video, and for my new subscribers, thank you as well for stopping by. And please do not make this video your last one. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first ingredient I'll be using for this recipe is my pineapple, and coupled with other ingredients which I will show you right away. I have here orange, lemon, apple, cucumber, garlic, watermelon. All these are optional fruits if you are not able to lay your hands on any of them, okay? And also I have cloves and hibiscus flower. You can't do away with these two ingredients while making your ZOBO. These are very important. The next thing I will be doing is to wash my hibiscus flower, because this is very important and necessary for you to wash your hibiscus flower before using it. While washing it, I will show you the reason why I said it's very important. Okay, I went ahead to wash this lightly. I washed this hibiscus flower for 2 to 3 times, just because of, look at it, because of the sand. Yeah, this is the reason why I said you need to wash it. You can't avoid that. Don't use your hibiscus flower without washing it, please. After doing that, I will show you the next step I took. Now that I'm done washing all the hibiscus flower, I will move over to peeling off the skin of the pineapple. I'm not going to throw this away because I will be cooking it alongside with other ingredients later on. Lest I forget, I have washed all my ingredients. I will place the skin of the pineapple into a clean bowl and then set aside. Now I will go ahead to cut the pineapple into chunks and also set aside. If you have watched up to this moment and you're enjoying the video, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now that I'm done doing everything, the first thing I'll be doing is to place the back of the pineapple into the pot, and then I will add the washed hibiscus flower at this point. I will also add some water as well, because we need water to cook this hibiscus flower, or rather ZOBO. Now I went ahead to place this on my gas cooker while I prep other ingredients. The first ingredient I will be prepping at this point is my ginger. Now for the ginger, you can peel off the skin if you want to, but for me, I will be using everything for the sake of this recipe, because the skin is also healthy as well. And now that I'm done, I will go ahead to add my garlic. This is optional, okay? I went ahead to add water into the garlic and ginger because I'll be blending this. For some people, they don't blend, they'll go straight ahead to add it to it. Now that I'm done blending everything, I'll go ahead to place this into a clean bowl and then set aside. Moving over to my pineapple, I'll also be blending this as well. And also, some people don't blend their pineapple. Now that I'm done blending this pineapple, I'll also set aside. I will also go ahead to prep both the lemon and the cucumber by slicing both together, and then I will set everything aside. I will show you the next step to take. And now I'll be adding my cloves into the already boiling pot with pineapple peel and hibiscus flower. And now I will add the blended ginger and garlic. I will add the sliced cucumber and lemon at this point. And now I will be adding the blended pineapple. I know you might be surprised, why did I blend my pineapple? Just to add more flavor to this. For some people, they will go ahead to add the junk pineapple, but for me, I choose to blend mine. I will cover this up slightly, and then I will bring it to a rolling boil. I went ahead to boil this for 50 minutes. Some people do boil theirs for 30 to 35 minutes on a low heat. When you are doing this, you have to do this on a very low heat until the drink is very dark purple. Then you know that your zobo is ready. Now that the zobo is well cooked, I'll go ahead to sieve it. My husband was there, was just helping me out. I'll go ahead to scoop some of those chaff into my filter, and then with the back of my spoon, I will press it hard in order for the liquid to come off the sieve. Now I will pour the last one into my filter and extract all the liquid out, and I will show you the next step to take. I went ahead to change the silicone spoon because it was not giving me the vibe I needed, so I changed it to my wooden spatula because it's stronger than the silicone spoon. So these are all the liquid I extracted. I will keep this aside. Back to all my fruits, I will start by cutting my watermelon. This is very optional. I will divide the watermelon into two. I will be using one part. I will go ahead to cut this into smaller chunks, and then I will go ahead to blend this. I'm not going to be adding water into this because it's water already. I will blend this. And now that I am done blending the watermelon, I will be sieving it. By so doing, I will be using the cheese bag, and I will pour this into it and squeeze this tightly to release its juice from the puree. And now that I'm done extracting all the liquid, I'll set this aside. I will move to my apple. I will go ahead to cut this into smaller chunks. I will be blending this as well, and then I will also sieve. I will add water into this and then give this a blend. I will also squeeze this tightly to release its juice from the puree, and then I'll set it aside. For the orange, I'll peel off the skin because we are not going to blend the skin, and then I will cut this into smaller bites. Add it to my blender, add some water, and then I'll blend everything and sieve just like the way I did to the other fruits. However, at this point, I will be assembling all the liquid together. I will start by adding the apple liquid into the ZOBO liquid, and thereafter, I will be adding the watermelon juice as well. And lastly, I will add the orange juice to sweeten this up. For the watermelon, it is optional, and for the apple as well is also optional. And now I will give everything a mix. I took a step further by adding honey into this. Guys, this is very optional, okay? You can decide not to add honey, or you can also decide to add honey. Some people do add sugar, but for me, for this recipe, I just added honey. So I went ahead to give this a taste. Oh my god, guys, this was a bomb. Look at the way I was giving my thumb. And then after that, I went straight ahead to store this into my bottled water. And then you can store this into your freezer for 2 to 3 months, or as long as you want. Guys, this was what I was able to get from the whole process. It was so delicious, it was so healthy and so flavorful. After I prepared the ZOBO drink, I did not drink it immediately. I placed it in my fridge for some days, and then I later store it in the freezer before I brought the ZOBO drink out to enjoy. It was so refreshing. If you'll be giving this a try, please let me know, and if you do, don't forget to tag me. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.